This is our Onikuma MA30 USB condenser microphone from Onikuma Gaming. So, ganyan ka-slick yung Onikuma microphone natin. So, it rotates 360 degrees. Yan. So, pwedeng yung paikot-ikot. And then, meron siyang Type-C na connector papunta doon sa device mo. So, USB port to Type-C. Yan. So, sasaksak mo lang siya sa desktop or sa laptop. And what I love about this is this one. Sobrang legit. More like gaming talaga. But we will not use it for gaming. Instead, we will use it for business meetings and sa mga calls natin kay clients. Sobrang sleek ng design. Minimalist. Saktong-sakto sa table natin. All black. And then, meron lang siyang RGB na umiilaw. Yan. Take note, nag-change siya ng color from time to time. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa. Imagine na lang, no? Kapag puro LED lights yung setup mo, this is a must-have. Whether it's business or gaming, try it now. Click the yellow basket and then comment down your thoughts below.